Hey guys, welcome back to the channel again. Today we're gonna make this thing. This is basically a Frankenstein. We're supposed to put the purple slime in him, and then we're gonna squeeze it out and it'll come out of his eyes. There are 5 to collect. They're Frankie, Brainz, Mean Skull, Mystical, and Googly Alien. So we got Frankie the Frankenstein. So it's pretty cool. And so we open it. Now we stab it in, stab it in, stab it in. 4 times the charm. It worked as a stab. Because it's not Halloween yet, but I'll still open it. This is like the goofy slime, the googly. Hope it's not melted because I haven't played with it. Well, look. Oh, pop his eyeball back. Let's see if it stinks. I can't. Ew, it does. Well, look at his side. You can pull his eyes out. Ooh, this is a good. This is a good bag. This is the slime. It's kind of sticky. We'll just put it on the table. Never-ending slime. Please come out slimy. Well, it's pretty good click. It's pretty damn clicky. This is a lot of work. It has pretty good click sound, as I must say the second time. Actually, it's great clicky sounds. We'll just pull this mini string of slime out of here and we should put this into this Frankenstein's head. We'll just pull a bit of slime, then make it like this, and then we'll just this fart. Keep farting. It's gonna go in there eventually. Oof, oof, oof. Oh, it's going in fast. There's still a lot more, so let's go bit by bit. Suck that bit in. Now we're gonna put this bit in and more bits. Bits forever. I'll be silent. This thing is annoying to put in. We'll squeeze it. Squeeze it. Ah. Alright. Squeezy. Squeezy. Hey cameraman, look at this. Oh. This thing also popped out. Make sure we do this next. I'm too weak. I'm so weak he farted. Oh my gosh. We'll just put it back in.
You look disgusting.
I know, right?
Is this fun?
Yeah. It kind of stinks. Why isn't the other eye popping out? Well, yeah, it is now. Well, I can't seem to get any more out, so that's cool. Now it's stuck. This, ew, it's still in his eyes. Ew, disgusting. Now I'm gonna take it out and put it back in the Ziploc bag. I can't take it out, so I'll just put it back in. And then put it back in the Ziploc baggie. I'm gonna put this in and put it in here.
Maybe we can get a bigger Ziploc bag and put all of them inside the bag.
This bag is not that
Too small. Well, I will get a bigger one from the kitchen.
Can you get it now?
Yeah, I can try
Because
and get you a bigger one.
I'll squish it again. This time I hope it'll work. Because I like slime. Oh, it works!
This one is from IKEA.
Not sponsored, by the way. Let's check this. Is it stretchy? No, kind of. Is it sticky? Kind of. Does it make bubbles sounds? Let's see. And then now we're going to make a slime swirl. It doesn't make bubble sounds. It's a scam. So, bye guys. See you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Like us on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. Bye.